In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable options trading on Robinhood. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access the investing settings on the web platform and complete the prompts required to activate options trading on your account. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. After that, look to the top right corner of the page and click the account icon. This will open your account menu where you can access your account options. From the menu, click Settings to open your account settings page. Once you are in Settings, locate and click on the Investing tab. Inside the Investing section, look for the option labeled Get Options Trading and click on it to begin the setup process. Robinhood will then take you through a series of prompts that you must complete in order to continue. Follow each prompt carefully and provide answers that match your experience and financial situation. These responses are used to determine your eligibility for options trading and the level you may be approved for. Continue through each screen without skipping any questions and ensure your information is entered accurately before moving forward. During this process, you may be asked about your investing experience, including whether you have traded options before or used similar financial products, and you should select the option that best matches your background. You may also be asked to provide financial details such as your annual income and net worth, and you need to enter the required values in the fields provided. These inputs are required to evaluate your risk profile and trading eligibility and must be completed fully before submission. Based on your responses, Robinhood will assign you an options trading level. If you are approved for a basic level, you will be able to use simpler option strategies such as buying calls and puts. If you qualify for higher levels, additional strategies such as spreads or selling options may become available within your account. Once you have completed all prompts, your application will be reviewed and your options trading access will be updated according to the assigned level. To complete the process, ensure every section is finished, all answers are confirmed, and all required information has been submitted through the prompts before exiting the setup screen.